Hey, sorry to keep you waiting.
Hey, do you want to come here?
Oh, no, it's fine. I've got a little box. It'll take no problem. Take a couple of seconds, that's it. Has it been giving you problems or did it just start doing this?
So it's been a couple days actually.
Oh,
They jumped it again, but
well, let me go ahead and test your battery real quick.
okay.
And that way I can let you know if it's your battery or if it's something else. How are you today?
Fine. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
Busy day, huh?
Yes, very busy. Lots of people broken down, unfortunately. Oh yeah, see, so it's flashing red because it's low and it's only 10 volts. Yeah, so it's dead. See, it's 0% charge, but that's not the worst part. The worst part is it's less than 25% life. So you may have like, maybe able to turn on the headlights for a minute or an interior light or maybe play the stereo for a minute, but it doesn't have enough power to start the car. So that's kind of where you're at right now. So this battery at AutoZone is like $210 plus tax, but for me to replace it here, it'd be $233 plus tax. So it's about $23 extra for me to install it here.
Does Walmart does it? Like
Walmart does it too. What would you like to do?
just jump started, then I'm gonna go to Walmart.
You got it. You got it, no problem. Once I jump it, because it's gonna be starting off of this, then this thing right over here, this is your alternator. And that once you start it, the alternator keeps it running, right? So as long as you don't turn off the car,
Okay.
it'll keep running.
Okay.
But just go directly to Walmart or directly to AutoZone or wherever you're gonna go to get a battery, okay? Okay, go ahead, it should start up. You're all set. Is there anything else I can do?
Oh, thank you so much.
You have a blessed day. Bye, ma'am, you have a good day.
It has a guarantee if you wanted to change the battery.
Yeah, the batteries that I carry, they have a 2-year warranty.
Is it like 5 years? They last 5 years? The one that you got from
Yeah, the ones that I carry, the AutoZone batteries, they last usually 3 to 5 years is what people are getting out of them. And but they have a 2-year warranty. Something is, oh,
Oh,
it's
it's
still, I thought it was a bug on me.
I have to pay for all that you do.
Well, I send you a link and you pay for it on your phone, but it's $233 plus tax.
233.
Plus tax. So it'll be like $245 total.
You do it.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It only takes about 4 or 5 minutes. It'll be quick. We're literally almost done. It's very quick.
You are super fast. You are super fast.
Thank you. Believe it or not, we are done.
Appreciate you.
Oh, you're
Thank
welcome.
you
Thank
so
you.
much.
Thank you for trusting me to do it. Why don't you guys start it up? I want you to feel really good that it starts right up now.
We always trust you.
Oh, you guys are very nice. Now you won't have to worry for the next couple of years at least, right?
If you have something problem with the car, can we call direct to you?
Yes, you can. Here, let me give you.
Yeah.
Do you have your? If you have your phone, I can tap this to your phone,
Yeah.
and then you'll have my information.
Yeah. And
Let's see. It's an iPhone, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Did it go or
Yeah.
no?
There you go. Oh yeah, there you go.
Okay,
Remember,
perfect.
Her name is Yasmin. My name
Yasmin.
is Bani.
Bonnie?
Yeah.
All right,
Bani
Bonnie.
and Yasmin.
Bonnie, I'm sorry. It was a pleasure. It's a
Okay,
pleasure
nice
meeting
to
you.
meet you.
Yasmin, it was a
Thank you so
pleasure
much.
meeting you.
Appreciate you.
All right.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much and have a wonderful day.
Oh, you as well. Thank you.